flying into STEAM. Elementary and middle school students are taking part in the MedTech7 Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Math Summer Camp.
One of the things I'm truly excited about with this camp is the name of it, AI Games, which stands for Artificial Intelligence and Arts Integration coming together. And why is it important for artificial intelligence, technology, and arts integration to come together? Because that's exactly what MedTech7 is, arts integration with medical and cyber and technology.
The 5-day camp offers 4 STEAM-based courses for students to explore.
What we hope the students will take from this experience is that they'll have an opportunity to take real-world problems and try to solve those using technology and then the problem-solving loop system that we've set up to talk to the kids about and how they can generate ideas and solutions for problems that are real-world problems. And then also we're integrating the IT and technology and coding using our iPads and everything else that we can think of to try to create these awesome projects.
There's a drone class where students are learning more than just how to fly.
The hardest thing that I've done is the coding part. The coding is really hard because you need to get the measurements and like the distance of the drone that it has to be. And the easiest part was kind of controlling it with a remote type of electronic that goes where you want it to go.
Students are also making their own cardboard instruments and are learning coding through music.
Learning about microbits, and we're learning we're gonna make an instrument and play music, and I'm just looking for some good music to make. You have to code your microbit to do different things. You can code it to make different type of music and stuff.
Or students are creating and coding their own fitness devices.
I liked doing the Fitbit because of the microbits and just doing the codes. And on my Fitbit, I'm having it count steps and how many sips of water I drink each day.
Take 1.
And a group of kids are working together, producing a video about the camp, showcasing their drama and technology skills.
I could get pictures from online to put it on a green screen, and someone could get on the green screen, but we can't go past the light green.
More than 100 students took part in the camp.
When kids leave the camp, there's 2 things I want them to always remember. 1, the bond of friendship and teamwork that we've established here. That's super important when moving forward. And then the other is the use of technology and how technology can always enhance the arts as well as academic learning.
The MedTech7 STEAM Summer Camp was held at Beaufort High and Whale Branch Middle Schools. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.